In this video, we will be showing you how to install our amplifier rack in your 1993 to 2002 Firebird or Camaro. We designed this amplifier rack to mount underneath the factory panel, keeping it completely hidden. Start by removing the factory panel that covers the spare tire. To do this, pop off the clips. Using a washer or a quarter works better than a screwdriver. Once the clips are removed, lift off the panel. The amp rack is designed to bolt into existing factory holes, so no drilling into the car is required. It uses the computer mount bolt hole, the lower mounting hole, and the seatbelt stud. Keep in mind that installing this rack will eliminate the use of your spare tire. Next, test fit the rack to ensure your amplifiers will fit properly. The rack mounts beneath the seatbelt bracket. Lift the seatbelt slightly, slide the rack tab onto the stud, then align the bottom hole. Secure it with the included 5/16 nut and bolt, along with the washer. The middle mounting point uses the bolt from the computer mount bracket. This rack is designed around Rockford Fosgate amplifiers. The top plate fits an amplifier up to 6 3/4 inches by 8 5/8 inches, while the side plate fits up to 6 3/4 inches by 13.5 inches. Depending on your setup, you can run a single 5-channel amp on the side or separate amplifiers as we did. One subwoofer amp on the top plate and a 4-channel amp on the side. Always check your amplifier dimensions before installation. To secure the amplifiers to the rack, we recommend using 1032 rivet nuts. Start by installing one rivet nut to temporarily lock the amp in place. To do that, mark and drill your pilot hole with a 1/8 inch drill bit. Then drill the hole to 9/32 for a 1032 rivet nut. Install the first rivet nut with a rivet nut gun and screw your amplifier onto the rack. Then use a transfer punch to mark the remaining holes. This ensures perfect alignment. Remove the amp, drill the rest of the holes, and install the remaining rivet nuts. Repeat the process for the second amplifier. At this point, you may choose to paint or powder coat the rack. For this install, we used a textured satin black finish. Once painted and cured, mount your amplifiers securely to the rack. We recommend pre-running your wiring before final installation to make the process easier. Now, install the rack back into the vehicle. Drop it into the spare tire well, slide it onto the seatbelt stud, and reposition the seatbelt bracket over the rack. Start with the bottom bolt first. It's easier to line up. Then screw in the computer mount bolt. Tighten down the lower bolt, computer mount bolt, and the seatbelt nut. Now you can connect your wires to your amplifiers. Test your sound system to make sure everything is working properly, and reinstall the factory trim panel. Your amplifier rack is now securely mounted, hidden from view, and ready to rock.